I'm Hilda Borromeo, education student of Amando College. Today's topic is about changing states of matter. But before that, I'll give you a short background regarding the states of matter, which are the solid, the liquid, and the gas. Let's have the characteristics of the solid. Solid has a definite size, and it has a definite shape. The molecules are compressed. Though they are compressed, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is motionless. They move back and forth, up and down, or vibrate around a fixed point. Next is the characteristics of the liquid. Liquid has no specific shape because it only takes the shape of the container. The molecules are slightly apart so they can easily move from place to place. Then we have the gas. Gas fully occupies the shape of the container. The molecules are very much scattered, and these molecules are full of energy and can move freely. So how does a state of matter change? From solid into liquid, or liquid into gas? Let's find out. First, we have the process called melting. That's the butter in a solid form. When you place it into a pan, of course the pan must be heated. You will notice that the butter is melting. Take a closer look. The liquid here is the butter that already melts. It will also happen with your favorite ice cream. I love ice cream, just like that, and it's so yummy. But that ice cream will never remain the same because in a few minutes it will start to melt. Eventually, it turns out into liquid state. So sad, instead of eating, you're just going to drink or sip the ice cream. Anyway, based on the given examples, we can say that melting is the process of changing solid into liquid state. Next process is freezing. Your favorite shape can be made into an ice candy or even an ice cream. Basically, freezing is the process of changing a liquid into solid state, or simply, it is just the reverse of melting. Another process is vaporization. Notice that when the water starts to boil, bubbles will appear. But if you will notice, the water in the pan decreases. It decreases because the water already evaporates or turns into gas. So vaporization is the process of changing a liquid into a vapor or gas. Then we have the condensation. The leaves looks dry or has no moisture, isn't it? But if you will observe it at dawn, you will notice that the leaves are watery. It happens because during nighttime, the gas in the form of vapor condenses. And when it condenses, it turns out into a liquid. So condensation is just the process of changing gas into liquid, or simply, it is just the reverse of vaporization. Then we have sublimation. Sublimation is the process of changing solid directly to gas. So how does it happen? Aside from dry ice, a good example is the mothballs. When you place the mothballs on a piece of cloth or within your clothes, you will notice that after several days, it is getting smaller and smaller until it is gone. So a solid can be changed into gas without passing the liquid state, and that is what is called sublimation. The last process is deposition. Normally, it happens in other countries or in a whole area or place, just like this cherry fruit. The gas in a form of vapor turns out into a crystalline form or ice. So deposition is just a process of changing gas into solid. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. But before I end this, I want you to think of the factors that may affect the states of matter, and that leads to these processes. And you will find out on the next episode whether your answers are correct. Thank you for watching.